i kako da možemo nešto od nje imati. Jel se slažete sa tim da je to urođena sposobnost za sve nas? Odlično. Svi mi imamo neke natruhe te intuicije. Iskusili smo je ovdje ili ondje u različitim situacijama. Tipa, na primjer, neko te pomisliš na neku osobu i ona te zove odmah nakon toga. Ili padne ti neko jelo na pamet i dođeš doma i vidiš, baš se to jede. Ja ću vam podijeliti jedno svoje iskustvo koje sam imao nedavno u meditaciji. Radio sam meditaciju i u jednom trenutku meditiram, jako mi je lijepo, sve je mirno i spokojno. U jednom trenutku ovako balončić dolazi prema meni sa likom mog prijatelja Bojana. I ovako polako putuje prema meni u meditaciji, jel? I ja ga bacim ga sa strane. I ja opet uživam, lijepo mi. I onda još jedan put. Par sekundi nakon toga polako ide još jedan balončić prema meni sa njegovim licem. I onako smješka mi se. I ja onako, pa dobro, sad treba meditirati. Neću se sad baviti sa nekim likovima i balončićima. Jel? Bacim ga još jednom sa strane. I tako, mislim, 2-3 puta mi se ponavilo takvo iskustvo. I nakon meditacije ja pogledam na mobitel i vidim u tom trenutku me Bojan zvao. Jel? Baš u tom trenutku kad je meni to dolazilo na pamet. Tako da ja moram reći da nisam razvio do kraja intuitivne sposobnosti, ali veselim se tome vidjeti, dijeliti s drugima i upućivati djecu, jer su djeca jako prijemčiva za te stvari. Tako da ćemo večeras zapravo imati nekakvu strukturu. Nešto ćemo malo još reći o intuiciji, to će vam Žana još ispričati. Onda ćemo pogledati jedan video i onda ćemo predstaviti naše djevojčice koje će nam demonstrirati intuitivne sposobnosti. Postavljat ćemo im neka pitanja, neke zadatke i onda ćemo na kraju najaviti radionicu koja će se uskoro odvijati i u Ljubljani i u Zagrebu. Kako vam se to čini, ekipa? Jeste jednako uzbuđeni kao ja? Upalite kamere da vidim velike osmijehe. Odlično, odlično. Ok. Žana je također s nama.
Hvala, Alen. Sad kad je Alen podijelio svoje iskustvo, ja mislim da mi svi imamo jednu, barem približnu priču gdje želimo reći, pa ja sam isto iskusila intuiciju, mogu ja nešto reći, jel? Upravo zbog toga mislim da ova tema, iako je malo egzotična, nije toliko strana, jel? Negdje u sebi mi znamo da postoje razne razine znanja, razne razine kako možemo primiti određenu informaciju, zar ne? Pa hajmo vidjeti koje su to razine znanja da bi uopće razumjeli o čemu govorimo. Znači, svima nam je jako poznato da možemo dobiti nekakvu informaciju kroz osjetila. Znači, ako pada kiša, ja ću to osjetiti, ako sam vani i znaću, aha, pada kiša, je li tako? Na primjer, ako imam svijeću koju ja imam ovdje i stavim svoju ruku, meni moje osjetilo dodira govori, od nešto toplo, svijeća gori. Znači, primam znanje kroz osjetilo. Je li tako? Mogu vidjeti isto nešto. To će mi isto dati nekakvu informaciju. Dok, na primjer, druga razina znanja, što bi bilo ne samo kroz osjetila, nego kroz intelekt. Intelekt će mi reći, da, ovo je toplo, ali pazi da se ne opržiš. Jer moj intelekt zna, to je, dakle, može biti prevruće, može biti ugrožavajuće za mene. Ili moje oči mogu vidjeti, sunce izlazi, sunce zalazi, moje osjetilo vida mi daje to znanje. Međutim, moj intelekt mi govori, to nije sve, Žana. Naime, to se događa zbog rotacije zemlje i onda mogu ući u cijelo objašnjenje. Jel' tako? Znači, primam informaciju kroz jedno drugo koncept postojanja. E sad, to nije sve. Postoji taj koncept, to jest taj put primanja znanja kroz intuiciju. To je onako nešto što nam dođe prava misao u pravi trenutak. Ajmo sad samo malo pogledati u to prije nego što krenemo dalje. Znači, da bi mi mogli prepoznati pravu misao u pravi trenutak, treba nam jedna predpozicija, a to je tišina. Znači, mi moramo biti u stanju tišine i u smislu da možemo tu prepoznati tu misao, da možemo čuti taj trenutak. Samo radi usporedbe. Vjerujem da smo svi imali iskustvo, dođeš na nekakav ispit u školi, sjedneš, toliko si učila i sad ideš napisati zadatak, ne možeš se sjetiti odgovora. Izađeš van iz dvorane i padne ti na pamet. Jao, pa da, to je bilo tako. To je prava misao, ali nije pravi trenutak. Intuicija je nepogrešiva, ona je uvijek točna i prava. Tako da intuicija bi bila kada rješavamo zadatak, ta informacija lagano iznutra, tiho, iz prostora tišine dolazi. Tako da jako je zanimljivo i mislim da je svima jasno zašto nam je prvenstveno ciljna publika djeca. Zato što djeca su još uvijek u tom prostoru nježnosti, još uvijek u tom prostoru tišine. I onda oni to vrlo lako, bez problema mogu razviti kod sebe, što ćemo vidjeti kasnije. Mi smo pripremili jedan mali video, čisto da još malo razgovaramo o intuiciji prije nego što krenemo sa demonstracijom. Možemo pustiti. Meni se ne pokreće video, ne znam sada.
Nama se isto ne pokreće video. Evo sad vas sve vidim. Bok Alen.
Bok.
Bok svima.
Ok, još jedan pokušaj. Luka nam tu pomaže, on je naš.
Alen, probaj ti molim te sa svoga pustit, možda je nešto šteka kod mene.
Svi koji su bili i na moru i ljudi koji nisu bili.
Every child is unique. They have their own individual traits. To become the best version of themselves, all they need to do is tap into the right thought at the right time. And that right thought at the right time is called intuition. Welcome to the world of intuition. Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's The Art of Living Intuition Process. A process where children learn to gain access to their intuitive abilities and take their minds and bodies beyond the five senses and into the sixth sense. We are all intuitive beings. Since the beginning of history, intuition has been a part of Indian culture. The Vedas and Upanishads both discuss consciousness and the sixth sense.
Intuition is knowledge that is there around us, which, it is there in every particle of creation. It comes from a space of consciousness, the very being that we are, and that is intuition.
The Art of Living Intuition Process teaches your child to look within and tap into their innate wisdom to face every challenge.
Term intuition is so fascinating. So when I got to know about this particular program being offered by the Art of Living called the Intuition Program, I was very excited. And I wanted my child to learn it.
As children grow up and they have to make choices at every stage of their life. So that is where the power of intuition or having that sixth sense could help them in making the right decision in life.
The program is designed for young children as their minds are fresh, pure, and have a natural capacity to tap into and use their intuition.
At a young age, it's easier to tap into this intuitive dimension because there's less noise in the head. So it's easier to listen to this inner voice which is guiding you. And intuition is something that always guides you to do the right thing.
Children who go through the program are able to apply their intuitive abilities in all facets of their lives.
I don't need to put much effort for his studies. His grasping power has gone up like anything. So he's able to grasp really fast and thereby perform better.
And most important I've seen is not talking to 4 or 5 people, but she's confident enough to talk to thousands of people holding a mic and addressing the crowd and all that.
These children with these processes, I see them making decisions on their own without needing too much of an intervention.
The process trains children to relax their minds, to access their intuitive abilities, so much so that you can see these children perform various activities even with their eyes closed.
So when I put my blindfold on, I actually feel more confident while I'm doing my waveboarding. It's better doing it blindfold than just with your open eyes. It's like I won't fall, it's like just like that.
So when children see that with my eyes closed I'm able to read, I am able to identify colors, I am able to copy what someone else has drawn, they start realizing that this sixth sense is for real and it works for me.
They recognize it, they trust it, and then they have the confidence to act on it.
Imagine a world where each child is endowed with the gift of being guided by that inner voice that tells them right from wrong.
It opens a new level to every child's mind and will find a lot of great minds in the future if more kids get it.
So nobody knows what do they have inside them. So how much ever they discover themselves from inside, the more successful they will become and they can achieve a great name with that.
The world has gone far advanced in technology. What we had missed is the technology of consciousness. You developed the technology of material world, but now you had to develop the technology of inner abilities, your own consciousness, and that's where we are heading to now.
It's time to introduce your child to the world of intuition and make them a part of an awakened generation. This is the Art of Living Intuition Process.
Wow, mislim da je ovo jedan sjajan video nakon kojeg smo svi super uzbuđeni. Je tako. Mogli smo vidjeti koje sve benefite osoba može imati. Osoba može, to jest dijete, stvori kroz proces intuicije, tako da definitivno se isplati. Ostanite s nama zato što ćemo sada imati demonstraciju. Znači imamo tu djevojčice, Jalen i tim u Bugarskoj, ja mislim, Malene, će nas provesti kroz cijeli proces intuicije. Samo da li smo mi highlightani na videima, to bi samo...
Mislim da onaj ko priča da je highlighted po defaultu.
Evo.
Sad bi se trebali vidjeti sva tri ova videa. Sva 3 skrina vaša.
Ok. Ono što je meni kod videa zapalo, jako mi se dopalo, znači posebno vrijeme se nalazimo. Nalazimo se u vrijeme gdje stvaramo generacije koje im pristupaju nečem što do sad nije bilo zapravo poznato. I to je ljepota cijele te priče, jer sada je tajming za tak nešto. Tehnologija se jako brzo razvija, ali tehnologija naše svijesti. Ono što ste vidjeli, zapravo što se meni svidjelo, znači povezi sa očima je zapravo samo nekakav vanjski test da vidimo da se djeca mogu osloniti na svoju intuiciju, a ono što je zapravo naglašeno u videu je da djeca mogu razlučiti ono što je dobro i što je loše. Jedna dobra odluka u našem životu može promijeniti smjer našeg kretanja u životu. Jedna kriva odluka u našem životu, u procesu našeg odrastanja i razvijanja, također definira smjer našeg kretanja. Sad zamislite da imate sposobnost da možete biti povezani sa unutarnjim kompasom koji donosi odluke nevezano uz vanjske utjecaje. Pritisak vršnjaka, trendove i takve stvari. Jel? Zato smatram da je to jako dragocjeno. Ali, da ne pričamo toliko puno, ja bi sada predstavio naše gošće. To su dvije sestre iz Bugarske, Anastazija i Ljubov. So, hello girls, good evening.
Hello.
Nice to have you. And we have Mother. Mother, let's
I'm
see you.
here.
Yes.
Hello.
Good. Hello. Very happy that you have take your time and be here with us. And we are everyone are so excited so that we can see what we can, let's say, play, how we can play each other and what we can do with your intuition. So there are a few people, random people. Some people are here on the Zoom that I know. Some of them I don't know. So randomly, we will ask someone. So who will like to participate and make some challenges? Just few hands put up so that we have we could know in advance. So randomly people who wants to take some. Okay, there are some with Spela. One is there. You can make a sign like this or put your hands. Patricija, good. Spela. Ko će nam se još javiti? Irma.
Moj Lucijan kaže ne večeras.
Dobro, Lucija ne mora, ali može mama, jel? Ok, znači prvi zadatak je, evo, prva se javila Špela. So please, Špela, write something in the chat. And before that, Anastasia and Lubov will put the blindfolds on.
Yes.
Both.
So they're special. I think you can see they have like seal. This is a black, so we can't see anything from the bottom and from the top. Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Znači, posebno zaštićeni pokrivi za oči sa dodatnim materijalima oko.
Što ne ti treba hvaniš kompjuter? Mogu da držim kompjuter.
So when you are ready, just tell us that we are ready, and Spela, in the meantime, when you settling yourself, Spela will think of some word, maybe in English language, and you will write it down in the chat, and the Ani and Lubov will have a task to read it loud. So, girls, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Spela, are you ready? Good. So put, please, one word in the chat box. Okay, the word is there. So, girls, you can.
I think it's living.
Very good. Very nice. Okay, this was very nice. It was easy. Now we need a second volunteer from the public. Patricia. Patricia, if you have a paper and pen and write down something on the blank paper, and you will show it like that on the camera. Any word you can. Croatian language is also good, huh? Girls.
We can't read it or like say it.
You can, yes?
We don't think so.
Okay, let's do it in English. Let's do it in English. Or in Bulgarian language.
Да не показвам с камера. Не още.
Okay, Patricia will write it down.
Ти не слушай.
Okay, Patricia is ready. You can, Patricia, you can show it on the screen. Yes, now it's visible. Put it still there. Make a highlight for her.
We can see. Can you? I don't think.
Now it's
now. Yes. I think it says early education.
Very good. It is correct. And I suppose that Patricia is doing in the kindergarten. She is working. Yes, I'm right. Okay. So this is not my intuition, just my logic. Okay. And we have the third person who wants to take a quest for one more. There is a whiteboard in the let's see.
Jedna osoba se može priključiti, malo hrvatskog možda ne razumijem.
Da. Irma, hoćeš li ti na whiteboardu nešto napisati? Čekaj da ga uključimo.
Ajde.
New whiteboard, ok. Sad ćemo vidjeti. Da li Irma možeš pisati nešto po tome?
A čekaj, još uvijek me učitava.
Ok. Neko je već nešto napisao.
Okay.
Renata vidim da piše. Girls, you can...
Ne znam.
Maybe you can zoom out, girls. If the whiteboard is too small, you can move it. They're capable. They are capable. Mama, you can sit down.
Evo sad mi je otvorilo.
Okay.
Maybe on the phone, because on the computer don't see anything.
You don't see the whiteboard. Okay.
Maybe here on the phone.
Okay.
Yeah. Take the phone.
Znači, sad čekamo svoj red.
Da, pustit ćemo prvo da ovaj pročitaju. Neko si je još dodatno kreativan u ovom cijelom procesu.
I think it's love.
Love, yes.
Wow.
It was love and now it's deleted. Okay. Irma, you can write down something also.
Some.
Okay.
Take it.
Okay. It's showing it.
Telephone.
Jel se vidi?
Yes, it is shown. Yes, it's visible.
Mogu onda. Napisati. Idem prvo pišiti.
Simplicity.
Yes, it's correct. Simplicity. One big clap for girls. Yes, now I will remove the whiteboard. So now we have one more challenge for girls. They will play tic-tac-toe. In Bulgarian it's called morski šah. Kod nas se to zove križić kružić. So yes, mom will highlight it with the phone.
Yes. Отлично рисувам, да.
And we will highlight, where is it? Okay. I will put
Are you see?
Wait.
The paper?
Yes.
Yes.
Take. Готово? Държи ми колкото. Отхватвам.
And we have a winner.
Yeah, Lubov is winner.
Lyubov is winner. Big clap. Very nice, girls. Now you can remove the eye band for a moment. Now you can get a sunlight and see the result on the paper. Was very good. Nice. And if it's Ani and Lubov, if it's okay for you, we can do one more thing. Someone from the audience can will take some color, something with a specific color, and put it in front of the camera, and girls will say what is the color, and after that we can do with a picture. If you have some picture that is near you, you can also show it on the camera, and girls will tell first. They will tell what is the color, and next we will do with the picture. So do we have some volunteers from the audience? Yes, Patricia. Okay, who else? Bella. Do we have more? Someone who wants to interact? In Irma. Okay. Okay, girls are ready. So we will go in the same order. Patricia, do you have prepared color? Okay. Girls, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So Patricia, you can put the, okay. Girls, can you tell us what is the color?
No picture.
No, then it's an object.
We now have a...
Now is the...
Now.
Okay. Now is the spotlight.
Pink. Is
Great.
it a duck? Rubber duck?
Bravo.
Yes, and it's a pink rubber duck. Show us again, Patricia. Yes. Girls, you want to open? You want to see it with the eyes? Okay, show
Can
it,
you
Patricia.
show?
It's so cute.
Great. Okay. Now eyes closed again, and we have a second candidate, second volunteer. It was Špela. Girls, are you ready? Okay. We will put a highlight on Špela. Okay, Špela, show us. What do you have? Okay. Girls, can you tell us what is on the picture?
Is it Gurudev? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Gurudev. Yes. Shri Ravi Shankar. Okay. And now we have Irma. Irma. Okay. Put a spotlight. Okay. Girls, can you tell us what object we have on the screen?
Unmute, you are muted.
Say again.
It's like pumpkin.
Yeah.
It has a face.
You can open the eyes now. Yeah, girls. You can cover yourself. It's a pumpkin and a boy. Julian. Thank you, Julian. Bravo, girls. One big clap for girls. Yes. So I don't know what to say anything else, because all the challenges we have provided for you, you have all do it perfectly. If any one of you in the audience have something idea, something to check extra, please let us know. Now is the time. If you want to do something more.
I have one more picture.
Okay, Patricia, let's do it. Girls, please close the eyes. Okay, let's see. Okay, picture is here.
Is that you? Is it like the sea and you're getting married?
Oh,
It's not me though.
very good, girls. You can open the eyes, and Patricia, show us the picture again.
It's from
very good.
wedding.
So I think their intuition is also looking forward in the future. So it could be also you, but in a few years. Yeah. Very good. Very nice. Wow. Guys, sad mi recite vi svi, tko ne bi htio od vas imati takve sposobnosti? Ja se jedino pitam ono što meni pada na pamet. Ja da sam klinac definitivno bi htio imati pristup svojoj intuiciji, jer mislim da bi mi u školi bilo puno lakše. Jel? Ja sam se tokom škole jako mučio, ali mislim da je ovo sjajna stvar. Jel? Informacija je već i onako u prostoru i intuicija nam pomaže samo da se prikopčamo na tu informaciju koja već je u prostoru i da ju skinemo i da ju predočimo. Now we have some prepared questions for the girls. So, girls, if you are okay with that, we can ask you some questions.
Yes.
Okay, we can do. Yes, we can do with the questions. So, can you tell us something about your first course? When did you did the intuition process, and what was the special moment for you personally when you did the course?
We did the course when I was second grade, and Lubov was still in the kindergarten while doing it. And it was like a strange thing. Like my mom came one day and said, "Do you want to go do intuition?" And I didn't know what we're going to do, what it's intuition. And we just go and didn't know nothing about it. And about me, the special thing was when I started reading. That was so special for me. I was very excited about that.
My special is like when I touch the picture, I don't know, like everything was correct what I said.
Wow.
And yeah.
Wow. Great. Odi tamo se spoji. Evo, hoćeš slušati? Okay.
And when I bring them to the course, I don't know what they do after that.
Yes, yes.
No idea for these results.
So you was also surprised, huh?
Yes.
Great, great. So the next question for you is about the change that you notice. How do you think that intuition has changed or improved after the course? And do you see that is also changing when you do it afterwards? Is also changing or developing in some sense? Does this help you in your everyday life, in your school? And has it ever happened that you feel something in advance in the future and that's happened to you? So there are few questions now.
For me personally, after the course, after starting to do the things that I have to do, I remember really fast in school, like my lessons, or I made more friends. Like I became more friendly, maybe. And I did some like did better in my sport and learning the choreo of my dances very easy. And yeah, I can see the future. One day I was like meditating with my mom. We were doing some yoga, and while we were meditating, I saw Sanas saying to me, and the next day I saw Sana and she said Gurudev is going to come to Bulgaria. Or I was dreaming about what is going to happen next day in my summer camp, and it really just happened, and I was just living my dream actually.
Wow. Beautiful.
Hello.
Да кажи ли за отговора? Кажи ти как познаваш децата.
Lubov, do you want to?
So I have to say, because Lubov is like don't know how to say it.
No problem.
When a teachers like want to test somebody, Lubov is just guessing, oh, she's going to test that guy or this girl, and she guesses every time.
Wow. And the teachers know that or don't know?
No, the teachers don't know that.
So your teachers in the school still don't know that you have like special abilities?
Yes.
They don't know. Better they don't know. Okay. Wow. Great. So we will take also question from the audience later, but now can you tell us what is happening during the demonstration? Do you need to prepare yourself before that? And when you see it, how do you see it? But because the eyes is closed, how the picture appear, from where it comes?
Like for me, it comes like a picture in my head. Like I see it in my head.
Okay.
And like sometimes I have to prepare, like meditate, because I was in school, so that is like too much energy. So when I come home, I meditate. So that's my prepare for this meeting. And Lubov was on an event before the meeting, so she had to meditate with me. So like go get off the bad energy.
Good. Can you tell us how old are you now? What age are both of you?
I'm 14.
I'm 12.
12 and 14. Wow, great. And the last question from me, it's what would you like to tell other children who maybe want to try intuition process?
To try it.
Yes, and it's gonna be so fun because the people in the intuition are so nice to us. They don't judge. That's so nice.
Yeah, and like when I started, the people there were just so nice and like they were good. In school, they were like bullying me for no reason. So I was like a bit sad, but when I go to the intuition, I was like, oh, those people are very good and nice. Why? How? And now I understand why.
And after we do the intuition, they like make food for us, and that's so sweet.
So what has changed really? Is your perspective change, or they notice the change in you, or what has changed that they stop bullying you?
So I was like really giving my energy to them. Like they're saying to me something that is for me disturbing, and I'm annoyed. But now when they say that, I don't feel it. I just say, like Gurudev said to me, to say to them, can you do it? Can you do this better? Can you like annoyed more to me, to be more annoying?
Okay.
And they're just stopped. And now, because I'm 8th grade in Bulgaria, we should change school. So I changed, and I wanted in a school that is very high quality and it's very good, but I didn't get there. And now I understand it's for good, because the people in my class are very nice, peace. It's just they're very good to me, and they're happy. Some of the kids now, like the teens, the older they get, there seems like to lose their smile. But in my class, it's the opposite way. We have more smiles than sadness.
Wow. So now you see the bigger picture of what is happening around you.
Yeah.
Yes, great. So we have one question from the audience. Have you ever met a person and had a feeling that they have bad intentions? Can you sense like intentions when someone is approaching you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Like my friend, I was like, she comes to me and I don't feel like I should be a friend with her. And the second that moment, she tries like some sort of to use me. But I knew that, so I would just say no or just don't do that.
Yes, good. That was the answer for your question, Patricia. Yes, yes. And what is you mentioned that you are doing sport, as I understand question. So what sport? What you do? You train?
So I'm training from this year. I started training figure skating, and I have to go backwards, and I can't see backwards because my head should be straight. And it's very helpful because when it has people from my behind my back, I know, and I just stop or just like go from the side, and I don't think about it. I just go. I do it.
Wow, very good. Very nice. Do we have some more question from the audience? Anyone? No. Okay. Girls, I'm very happy that. Okay, now how do you learn during the course? How do you learn what? So Spela is asking what you are doing on the course and to develop intuition. Spela, is that a question? So what we do on this course and how we develop intuition?
So we do some special exercise that Gurudev says to do. He made the course with special exercise, and after the exercise you have a meditation, which is like a relaxing, and after you do all the intuition exercise and meditation, you're like you have more energy, and it's really relaxing.
And they have practice every day, two times.
They need to practice after the course. Very important that you continue with the practice so the intuition is developing. So girls, are you still practicing?
Yes. And our teachers in Bulgaria said that we can practice till like we are like 90 years old or more.
Wow.
So we can practice forever.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good commitment in life to have to do such beautiful things. Thank you, girls, very much. It was very interesting, enjoyable, and very fascinating, at least for me, to have to be with you, and that you have discovered us some new world that is opening our mind very much. Mother, thank you for you, of course, because you are behind everything and you have motivated the girls to do the course. Thank you very much, girls. I hope that we will see you again sometimes, and maybe we will come to Bulgaria and to join Art of Living some activities. And it would be good that we have some good time spent time together.
Yes.
Good. Good.
Okay, well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
girls. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night. Good
Bye.
night. Okay.
Good night.
Ćao, ćao.
Good night. Ciao, ciao.
Ok, hvala curama. Mi nastavljamo dalje sa time zapravo nemamo šta dodatno tu reći. Sve je rečeno, sve smo vidjeli kako to funkcionira. Ono što mene zapravo jako veseli, što mogu reći da imamo 17-dnevnu radionicu koju ćemo imati jednu prvo u Ljubljani i nakon toga u Zagrebu za djecu u dvije kategorije su raspoređeni. Jedna je radionica od 8 do 13 godina, druga je od 14 do 18 godina. Kao što su cure rekle, rade se različite tehnike za otvaranje intuicije, različite vježbice koje kasnije nakon toga radimo sa povezima na očima koje testiraju našu intuiciju. I nakon tih 17 dana imamo kombinirano. Vikendi su uživo zajedno sa dva učitelja, sa Žanom i sa mnom, a preko tjedna nalazimo se pola sata u zajedničkoj praksi koju radimo redovito, kontinuirano u tih 17 dana, cijelo vrijeme. I evo ga sad ćemo pokazati i slajdove. Žana, možeš nam... Aha, znači imamo u Hrvatskoj od 28.11.
Da.
do 14.12. To je tih 17 dana. Znači rekli smo, vidjet ćete kakva je struktura. Vikendi su uglavnom družimo se uživo na Kajzerici u našom Art of Living centru. I preko tjedna smo Zoom online i imamo verziju Slovenija. Slovenija je nešto ranije, prije ovog, ona je od 7.11. Vrlo zapravo blizu. Poslat ćemo vam linkove u chatu, možete naći na web stranici Art of Livinga ili Slovenija ili Hrvatska. Evo poslano je sve u chat box, možete tu pronaći. I Ljubljana i Zagreb, imate linkove.
Da. Ono što je sjajno, Alen, ja bih rekla isto da mi smo imali ovaj proces intuicije već godinama se događa i sad točno ove godine je on produžen na 17-dnevni program. Tako da ono što su djeca prije radila 3 dana, sada je u biti ta opcija da učitelj ostane sa djecom kroz cijelu praksu, da im pomognemo i djeci i roditeljima da oni to rade doma. To je prva stvar. Druga stvar je što u sklopu ovog procesa intuicije prvi vikend imamo znači tečaj gdje oni uče, prolaze kroz program gdje uče jednu tehniku disanja Sudarshan kriju koja je za djecu ili za tinejdžere posebno prilagođena i onda u drugom vikendu se specifično koncentriramo na proces intuicije, na sve prakse i na tehnike koje direktno otvaraju intuiciju. I u trećem vikendu to sve zaokružujemo i radimo potpuni paket i djecu vodimo kroz svih 17 dana. Tako da imamo sjajne rezultate. Stvarno, evo ja sam nedavno bila u Litvi, bila sam u Rumunjskoj i mislim djeca dođu ovako, roditelji isto nikad nisu čuli, prijave djecu, dođu kao dobro, ajde možda nešto se desi evo sreća pa djeca već nakon prve radionice 17-dnevnog intuition procesa čitaju razne knjige, natpise, prepoznaju oblike i boje i samo postane još bolje i bolje. Tako da definitivno vas pozivamo da to da si priuštite to prije Božića možda. Cijena nije mala, cijena je značajna za neke ljude. Mislim da je nešto manje od 700 eura za Hrvatsku, što može izgledati kao jako puno, dok neki ljudi misle da je jako malo u principu, s obzirom kada vide koliko moraju platiti instrukcije, ne znam, raznorazne aktivnosti kako bi djeci u biti bila samo u mogućnosti učiti. Dok nakon intuition procesa oni su apsolutno svjesni, snažni i sposobni u principu usvajati određeno gradivo, razvijati svoje znanje i voditi sebe kao mladu osobu ili dijete. Tako da, evo, mislim da imamo
Super.
čak neko plaćanje na rate, ali ne, jel tako?
Imamo i mogućnost plaćanja na rate. Eto, ko je primijetio, ko je zavibrirao s tim, super. Javit će nam se, nije problem, možete uvijek doći do naših kontakata. Evo ga, kao što smo rekli, približilo se naše vrijeme kraju, sat vremena koliko smo planirali, bilo nam je drago družiti se. Recite, da li ima možda neko pitanje za kraj koje nismo pokrili, možemo sad to pokriti. Ako imate pitanja. Imamo li neku opciju za djecu iz Crne Gore?
Doći ćemo u Crnu Goru.
Doći ćemo tamo, možemo i tamo doći.
Ale, ja imam jedno pitanje.
Može, Bojan?
Ale, ja sam tu u Batantogastu i tu sad odjednom prekinjava, imamo connection, pa nemamo connection, tako da nisam mogao svega pratiti.
Da.
Pa me interesira, jer sam vidio da se to snima sve, jer se to može jednom vidjeti, ovako kao snimak, da mi to vidimo da...
Snimka će biti dostupna na Art of Living Hrvatska Facebook stranici. Evo, ide tamo uživo i tamo će ostati. Podijelit ćemo vam svi koji ste se prijavili. Bit će dostupan link ili sami odite na Art of Living Hrvatska Facebook, vidjet ćete tamo cijelu snimku.
Ok, hvala ti.
Evo, pitanje je, ima li takvo nešto u Međimurju? Ima, Međimurje isto je nama jako blizu, možemo mi doći tamo, a i nije vama daleko, možete iz Međimurja doći ovdje u Zagreb, tako da postoji sve opcije. Tak, nije problem, možemo se sve dogovoriti. Imate naše kontakte, jel? Evo, ja ću staviti...
Stavimo broj mobitela, evo ja sam vam stavila.
Ovo je moj kontakt, ja ću vam staviti tu. Ako ćete htjeti nam se javiti da po kojem pitanju, slobodni nam se javiti. Evo, hvala vam svima što ste bili, hvala posebno Luki što je nas vodio tako lijepo, Žanu i mene kroz ovo, bio nam support u cijeloj priči. Evo, Špela je postavila broj telefona za ljude iz Slovenije koji su zainteresirani. Možete se javiti i priključiti slovenskoj grupi, organizaciji tamo. Vidim da nas ima od svugdje.
Živjo, mogu samo malo?
Može.
Hvala. I ja da pozdravljam vse slovenske gledalce. Tako da v bistvu vabim jih 7. novembra začnemo v Ljubljani, tako da vse bo tudi na slovenski Art of Living strani, tako da vse informacije in tudi ta posnetek. Tako da vabljeni in se vidimo. In hvala, Alen.
Super, hvala tebi, Špela. Evo ga, ljudi, to je sve od mene, ja sam vas pozdravio.
Hvala vam puno.
Vidimo se drugom prilikom.
Prijavite se, vidimo se, čao.
Živio, čao.
Ćao. Evo, ako ste tu još napišite nam svoje iskustva u chatu. Vidim da je neko napisao kako mu je bilo. Bilo je super. Hvala, vrlo interesantno. Kako vam se to čini sve skupa? Slobodno nam napišete. Luka, sad možemo zaustaviti ovaj stream.